Hello and welcome to another one of Karen's Tech Talks. Today we'll be talking about termination caps, horizontal versus vertical caps. We all know that termination caps are the final component at the end of a vent installation. What might not be as clear is when to use or why we even offer horizontal caps versus vertical caps. To put it as simple as possible, a horizontal cap is used when the vent pipe terminates horizontally, and a vertical cap is used when the vent pipe terminates in a vertical position. What might not be as clear is why some systems are permitted to terminate horizontally when others require that it must be a vertical termination. Most of the venting products in the residential line are used with natural draft appliances. Since these appliances rely on the fact that hot air rises to properly and safely vent, they must terminate in the vertical position. Hot air rises, so the vent pipe points upward to help the flue gases leave. Some of our venting products are used with appliances that have some mechanical push to them that helps get rid of the flue gases. These appliances have a slight positive pressure in the vent, thus they can terminate horizontally because they aren't relying solely on natural draft. The vents for these appliances then have the option of venting horizontally or vertically, whichever the homeowner chooses. The vents for these types of appliances are also designed with sealed joints or gaskets at the joints that then prevent the flue gases from exiting through the vent itself. Our pellet vent and our direct vent are both examples of residential vents that permit horizontal termination. This is an example of one of our pellet vent termination caps for a horizontal termination. As you can see, the vent would be attached to this end, and it would actually then be divided through the V that's on the inside of this cap, and the flue gases are spread and exit horizontally. This is a very similar style to the one that's used for a vertical termination with the pellet vent. Now, as far as the direct vent is concerned, this is an example of a vertical installation cap. As you can see, the vent would get installed here. This would be installed up on top and allows a vertical termination. This one here is also in the direct vent line. It happens to allow a horizontal termination. The vent pipe would be coming through the wall and would attach into here, and as you can see, the vent flue gases would be coming right out through the openings in here. Now, our chimney pipe and our Type B gas vent both rely on natural draft, and as such their product lines include vertical termination caps only. Now, this is a vertical termination cap for our Type B gas vent line. It's a different material than would be used with the pellet vent, but they are very, very similar in design. This happens to be one of the termination caps for the supervent chimney system. As you can see, it's a slightly different style, made out of stainless steel. Chimney pipe is down on this end, and it's going to be resting in this particular orientation because it is a vertical termination cap. Hope that gives you a clearer picture of both horizontal and vertical termination caps. Thank you.